Stop! Okay? Before you jump into Unit 3, chemical reactions, if you haven't already taken Exam 1, then go take Exam 1. Exam 1 covers Units 1 and 2. So before you start adding the stuff from Unit 3 into your brain, okay, go take that exam. And when you're finished, come on back and continue watching this welcome video. Welcome to Unit 3, Chemical Reactions. Did you know there's 3 basic types of chemical reactions? We have decomposition, we have formation, and we have combustion. Now, let me read the definition of decomposition to you. It's defined as a reaction that changes a compound into its constituent parts. In other words, it decomposes molecules into atoms. For example, water, H2O, decomposes into hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O. Let me give you the definition for formation. Formation is defined as a reaction that starts with 2 or more elements and produces one compound. In other words, it takes individual atoms and brings them together and forms them into molecules. For example, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas react together to create water, H2O. Now, combustion actually comes in 2 types. There's what we call complete reactions and incomplete reactions. Here's the definition of a complete reaction. A complete combustion reaction is a reaction in which oxygen, O2, is added to a compound that has carbon and hydrogen, producing carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. By contrast, an incomplete combustion is real similar, except the amount of oxygen is limited, meaning there isn't enough O2 to react with all the carbon and hydrogen that's available. The result is not carbon dioxide. Instead, carbon monoxide, CO, and water are produced. Now, you've probably seen places where you've seen black soot accumulating. This is an example of an incomplete combustion reaction. Now, thanks to combustion, we can travel in planes and trains and automobiles. And thanks also to combustion, living organisms like you and me can live. But you and I know that combustion in an automobile is much hotter than our bodies. And yet, combustion does take place in us and other living organisms because of some of these other chemical compounds called enzymes that are involved in what's known as the Krebs cycle, and that allow them to take place at a temperature that doesn't kill us. So, have fun learning about chemical reactions so you can share some of the amazing things that the God of the Bible, the guy who created the entire universe and this planet and us, right, makes it all work.